Hello students. So in previous video we discussed about what is a sector, what is a segment, and the formula to find out the sector, area of the sector. Okay. And in that one I forgot to call you. What is a area of the sector is this is a circle. O is the center of circle. OA and OB are the radius, and AB is an arc length. If they ask find the perimeter of the sector, perimeter of the sector, perimeter of sector is equal to length of the arc plus radius means 2r, L plus 2r. Perimeter of the sector is equal to length of the arc plus radius 2r, 2 times of the radius. Okay, this is 2r is not the diameters are here, just radius plus radius. Okay, area of a sector is the region between two radii and arc, a part of the circle. So this is sector. Area of the sector formula, area of a sector is equal to theta by 360 degrees into pi r square. Okay. If they ask find the perimeter of the sector, perimeter of the sector is length of the arc plus radius. Perimeter means boundary, that is L plus 2r. Okay. Now see here, problems on sectors and segments. The first problem is find the area of the sector. Find the area of the sector whose radius is. Find the area of sector whose radius is 7 centimeter. Okay. Find the area of the sector whose radius is 7 centimeters and the arc is subtended and angle is 60 degrees. With the given angle. With the given angle. Okay. Find the area of a sector whose radius is 7 centimeter with the given angle. Given angle means this arc is subtended at the center. The angle is theta. That value is with the given angle 60 degrees. 60 degrees angle. Solution. Radius of the sector is equal to 7 centimeter. And theta is equal to 60 degrees. What they ask here? Area of sector is equal to theta by 360 degrees into pi r square. Theta by 360 degrees into pi r square. Here in this topic and next topic mensuration also, wherever you will get in a mathematics question paper pi value, until and unless they don't mention, by default you need to take 22/7 only. In case if they given a decimals, then only you have to use that decimals value. Okay, by default always use pi value as a 22/7. That is equal to 60 degrees by 360 degrees into 22/7 into 7 into 7. 0 0 6 1 6 6 7 7 cancel. 2 3s are 2 11s are. That is equal to 11 7 77 by 3 centimeter square. 11 7 77 by 3 centimeter square. Okay. If they ask in decimals, need not to simplify. If you are going to convert into decimals, write decimals values are when it is a non-terminating recurring decimal, then take 3 digits. 77 divided with 3, 3 2s are 6, 1 7, 3 5s are 15, 2.0, 3 6 are 18, to cancel. Okay. This is also given as a 25.666 centimeters square. 66 centimeters square. Find the area of a sector whose radius is 7 centimeter with the given angle 60 degrees. With the given angle 60 degrees. Please write down this one. Now another question is find the area of a sector whose radius is 21 centimeters with the angle 72 degrees. With the angle 72 degrees. Find the area of the sector whose radius is 21 centimeter with the given angle 72 degrees. Radius is equal to 21 centimeters and the angle is equal to 72 degrees. Now area of the sector formula, area of sector is equal to theta by 360 degrees into pi r square. That is 72 by 360 degrees into 22 by 7 into 21 into 21. 7 1s are 7 3s are 21. Now 36 2s are 72, 36 10s are. Okay. Now 2 1s, 2 5s. Now I don't get any more cancellation I think. Then what is left over here? Area of sector is equal to 1 by 5 into 22 into 21. Sorry, 22 into 3 into 21. Okay. 5 4s are 20.20, 5 4s are 20. Now 4.4 into 63. Okay, multiply this and write the value in your final answer. 63 into 44, 4 3s are 12, 4 6s are 24 plus 1 25. That is equal to 2772.2 centimeters square. Check once again calculation. Check once again calculation, sir. Whenever I complete the numerical problems, once I'll check that values whether I know the same digits which I mentioned in the question or not. And final calculations also. Next question. Find the area of the sector whose radius is what will take 10.5 centimeters. The angle is 120 degrees. Okay. So radius is equal to 10.5 centimeters. Area always in square units, sir. Theta is equal to 120 degrees. Now area of theta by 360 degrees into pi r square, that is equal to 120 by 360 into 22 by 7 into 10.5 into 10.5. 7 1 the 7 1 the 7.5 7 5 the, okay, 121 the 123 thus. Now 3 1s are 3 3s are 9.10, 3 5s are 15. Any more cancellation? I think I don't get anything cancellation. 22 into 1.5 into 3.5. Now multiply them. Area of sector is equal to 22 into 15, 15 to the 30, 15 to the 30 plus 33. What is it after point? So 33 it is. Next to 33 multiply with 3.5. 3 5 are 15, 3 3 are 9 plus 1 10. One digit after point. So that is equal to 115.5 centimeter square. Once again check the calculation, sir. Okay, this is the areas of the sectors. Now length of the arc. How to find out the length of the arc now? Find the length of the arc. Find the length of the arc of a circle whose radius is 7 centimeters and the arc subtended angle is 60 degrees. With the given angle 60 degrees. Find the length of the arc of a circle whose radius is 7 centimeters and the arc subtend the angle at the center is and the subtended angle at the center by an arc is 120 degrees. Find the length of the arc of a circle whose radius is 7 centimeter and subtended angle at the center by an arc is 120 degrees. Means radius is equal to 7 centimeter and theta is equal to 120 degrees. When length of the arc is given, length of the arc we have to find out. Length of the arc is equal to theta by 360 degrees into 2 pi r. This is standard formula. If you simplify, theta by 180 into pi r will get. That is equal to theta is 120 by 360 degrees into 2 into 22 by 7 into 7. 121 plus 123 plus 7 7 cancel. That is equal to 2 into 22 by 3. That is equal to 44 by 3. That value is 3 1s are 3, 1 4, 3 4s are 12. 14 3s are 42. 2.0 14.666 centimeters. Not centimeter square, only centimeter. Length of the arc it is. Only length only are finding. Find the length of the arc of a circle whose radius is 7 cm and subtended angle at the center center by an arc is 120 degrees. This is circle and this is the arc which is making an angle is 120 degrees. This radius is 7 cm. This length of the arc they asked. Radius is equal to 7 cm. Theta is equal to 120 degrees. Length of the arc is equal to theta by 360 into 2 pi r formula. 120 by 360 into 2 into 22 by 7 into 7. 7 7 cancel. 123 is 3 1. I don't get cancellation. 2 into 22 44 by 3. That is equal to 14.666 centimeters. Another model question is find the area of a sector. Area of a sector whose radius is 11 centimeters and the length of the arc is 26 centimeters. 44 centimeters. Find the area of a sector whose radius is 11 centimeters and the length of the arc is 44 centimeters. Here this formula also is given. So radius of the circle is equal to 11 centimeters. Radius of the circle is equal to 11 centimeters. Now length of the arc. Length of the arc is equal to L is equal to 44 centimeter. When length of the arc, radius is given, another formula I gave. Area of sector is equal to LR by 2 formula. LR by 2. So L is 44 into radius is 11 by 2. 2 ones are 2 22 are. That equal 22 into 11. 11 2s are 22. 11 2s are 22 plus 2 is 24. 242 centimeters square. Okay. When length of the arc is given, radius is given. This is the formula of area of the sector. LR by 2. Okay. Radius is 11 cm, length of the arc is equal to 44 cm. Area of the sector is equal to LR by 2. That is a 22, 44 into 11 by 2, 2 ones are 222 hours. 11 into 22 is 242. Check once again, calculations or multiplications on the simplification part. These are all in do this type, you should find out this type of questions. Let's do those one. Don't leave any question from your textbook. One textual question, do this problem I explain now. The length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeters. The length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeters. Find the area swept by. Area sometimes distance covered by also you get. Distance is different, area is different. Area swept by the minute hand in 10 minutes. Very important model. Very important. The same question in trigonometry also you get the same model question. Okay. So here area is different, distance is different. Distance problem means I will explain that one also. The length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. This is a clock. minute hand will be 14 centimeter, means radius it is. Okay, in 10 minutes how much distance it may cover clockwise? Somewhere here. Okay, this is A, this is B. In 10 minutes this is the distance covered. Distance means this one. Distance covered in 10 minutes means this is the distance. Area means this one. Here area is different, distance is different. Distance means length of the arc we have to find out. Find the distance covered by the minute hand in 10 minutes means this is the length of the arc. Whereas they asked the area swept by the minute hand means this is the area. Very very important. Distance means length of the arc find out. Area is area of the sector formula. Radius is equal to minute hand length is equal to radius. Radius is equal to length of the minute hand. Means R is equal to how much it is? 14 centimeters. Time taken is equal to 10 centimeters. Sorry, 10 minutes. Time is equal to 10 minutes. Minute hand will complete one rotation in 1 hour. In 1 hour it takes one complete rotation. One complete rotation. Minute hand will be in 1 hour it will cover with one complete rotation. That means in 1 hour minute hand makes 360 degrees angle. In 1 hour minute hand makes 360 degrees. But here how many minutes here? 10 minutes. In 10 minutes minute hand makes an angle is equal to 360 by 10. 0 0 cancel. 36 degrees. This is a theta. By default you remember always a minute hand makes for every minute 6 degrees. In 60 minutes, correct this one. In 60 minutes it makes 6 degrees. Okay. In 10 minutes how much? 10 into 6, 60 degrees. 10 into 6, 60 degrees. I was finding 10 minutes directly here. 10 minutes I don't get because it is a 1 hour now. 1 hour calculation we have to take first step. So time is equal to 10 minutes again. In 1 hour minute hand makes 360 degrees angle. Means 1 hour is nothing but a 60 minutes. In 60 minutes minute hand makes an angle is equal to 360 by 60. Sorry for that correction. I repeat what this is. In 1 minute, in 1 minute 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Please correct that one. I'm sorry for that. In 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. In 1 minute, minute hand makes an angle 360 by 60. 6 1 is 6 is that. That is about 6 degrees. In 1 minute, minute hand makes an angle is equal to 6 degrees. Please correct that one. Here I was calculating 1 minute calculation, but I wrote the sentences are wrong. I was doing doing correct only, but it's a calculations I am doing 1 minute calculations and I am writing these sentences are 60 minutes. Okay, in 1 hour minute hand makes 360 degrees. Once again, without confusion, I will start the question. The length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeters. That length is nothing but a radius. And the time taken is equal to 10 minutes. In 10 minutes, we need to find out the area swept. Means area means this one only. In 1 hour, minute hand makes 360 degrees angle. Because 1 hour means every 1 hour we complete one rotation. Minute hand. Okay. Hours hand will complete 12 hours. It takes to complete the rotation. Seconds hand, every minute it will complete a rotation. Keep it in mind. In 1 hour, minute hand makes 360 degrees. In 1 hour, minute hand makes 360 degrees. That means 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. In 1 minute, minute hand makes an angle is equal to 360 by 60, 6 degrees. Now what I require here? In 10 minutes, minute hand makes angle is equal to theta is equal to 6 degrees into tan, that is equal to 60 degrees. Minute hand makes an angle is equal to 6 degrees into 10 minutes. So every minute 6 degrees. Okay, 6 degrees into 10, 60 degrees. Now area swept by minute hand. Minute hand in 10 minutes is equal to theta by 360 degrees into pi r square. Here area means this sector area, distance means length of the arc. 60 degrees by 360 degrees into 22 by 7 into 14 into 14. 7 1 7 2 0, 6 6 are. Now 2 3 are, 2 1 are. Now 22 into 14 by 3. That is equal to 14 2s are 28, 14 2s are 28 by 3, 30, 308 by 3 centimeter square. If you convert this one, 308 divided by 3 times are 30, 102 6, 2.666 means 102.66 centimeter square area. Okay, don't confuse it, sir. Please write down. Once again, I will revise it. See here, the length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 10 minutes. In 10 minutes, minute hand area we need to find out. Means the length of the minute hand is nothing but a radius of the circle, that is 14 centimeter. Time taken is about 10 minutes to cover from here to here. This area they asked, not distance. Distance is they asked, length of the arc will find out. In 1 hour, minute hand makes 360 degrees angle. In 1 hour, minute hand makes 360 degrees angle. That means 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. In 1 minute, minute hand makes an angle is equal to 360 by 60, that is equal to 6 degrees. Actually, we can remember it is. Minute hand makes every minute 6 degrees. Hours hand makes for every minute half degree angle. Okay. Now 1 minute, in 1 minute, minute hand makes an angle is equal to 360 by 60, 6 degrees. Now in 10 minutes, minute hand makes is equal to 6 into 10. 60 degrees angle it will make in 10 minutes. Now area swept by the minute hand is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Area means sector area only. Theta is 60 degrees by 360 into 22 by 7 into 14 into 14. 7 1 are 7 2s are 66 are. So 2 1s are 2 3s are. Now 22 into 14 by 3. 14 2s are 28. 14 2s are 28 plus 2 30. 308 by 3. If I divide this one, Now 102 3 plus 306.20 means 666. 102.666 centimeter square. Okay. So while simplifying the calculation here, I wrote one sentence correctly. Correct that one. Okay. I was calculating 1 minute calculation, but I was writing 60 minutes or something I wrote. So please correct that one. Repeat for the correction. It's a very, very important model question. Same questions you may get in trigonometry also. Okay. Same questions. Remember, it is area means sector, distance means length of the arc. Okay, don't confuse it. Thank you.